Hi, this is Drew Taylor with Team Taylor and Remax Southern Homes, coming to you from our latest listing at 410 Devon Drive here in the heart of the Hollywood section of Homewood, Alabama. This highly sought after home is known as the Harlan Home on the Birmingham Historical Registry. Built in 1928, this English Tudor style home features 4 bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms, and has been completely renovated over the years. It's also been featured in Birmingham Home and Garden magazine. As you'll see from the video tour, the kitchen's just amazing. Gourmet kitchen, marble countertops. It's got the separate sub-zero fridge and freezer. The butler's pantry has the pecky cypress shiplap as well. The master bathroom combination is also amazing with the marble counters. It's got a nice big walk-in marble tile shower as well. Just really a masterpiece of a home here in the Hollywood section. So if you want more information about this home, always visit our website, mindyoubirminghamhome.com. Contact your Team Taylor agent today to schedule your showing at 410 Devon Drive. Thank you.